What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a Chevy Malibu. It's probably the same from about the 2019 to the 2023. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is just pick up on your windshield wipers like that. You'll have like a little piece right here. You just want to pop it up with your finger, just like that pretty much. Then what you want to do is just slide your windshield wiper down, just like that. It'll come out. All I did was pop up on it like that and slid it down. When you put your new one on, you just want to open this piece up right here. Take this little J-hook part that's at the bottom of this, put it inside of there like that, and then pull up towards you on your windshield wiper, just like that, and it's on. Then take this, push it back down, and you'll be good. All right, folks, once again, this is how you be changing out your windshield wipers on a Chevy Malibu from about the 2019 to the 2023. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.